Welcome to the world of flower beds. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by a vibrant tapestry of colors, a symphony of blooms, dancing in the gentle breeze. This is the magic of a well-designed flower bed. Creating a stunning flower bed is a rewarding endeavor that brings joy and beauty to any space. Whether you have a sprawling lawn or a cozy balcony, a touch of floral artistry can transform your outdoor haven. It's easier than you think. In this guide, I'll share my secrets for designing and planting a flower bed that will be the envy of your neighborhood. We'll explore everything from choosing the right location to selecting flowers and maintaining their vibrancy throughout the seasons. So, put on your gardening gloves and let's embark on this colorful journey together. Finding the perfect spot for your floral oasis. Before we dive into the exciting world of flower selection, let's find the perfect spot for your floral masterpiece. Just like a stage for a grand performance, the location of your flower bed is crucial for its success. Consider the amount of sunlight the area receives. Most flowering plants thrive in at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Observe your yard throughout the day to identify sunny and shady spots. Next, think about visibility. Choose a location where your flower bed can be admired from various angles, whether it's from your kitchen window or along a garden path. Remember drainage. Flowers don't like soggy roots. If your chosen spot tends to hold water, consider adding a layer of gravel or building a raised bed to improve drainage. Selecting flowers for a stunning display. Now comes the fun part, choosing the stars of your flower bed. With countless flower varieties available, it's easy to get overwhelmed. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the selection process. First, consider your personal preferences. What are your favorite colors and flower shapes? Do you prefer delicate blooms or bold, showy flowers? Let your taste guide your choices. Think about the blooming seasons. For continuous color throughout the year, select a mix of flowers that bloom in spring, summer, and fall. Some of my favorites include tulips and daffodils for spring, roses and lavender for summer, and chrysanthemums and asters for fall. Pay attention to plant height. Create visual interest by incorporating flowers of varying heights. Taller plants, like sunflowers or delphiniums, can act as focal points, while shorter plants, like pansies or petunias, can create a colorful carpet. Preparing the soil for your flower bed. Now that you've chosen your floral cast, it's time to prepare the stage, your flower bed. Proper soil preparation is crucial for healthy plant growth and vibrant blooms. Start by clearing the area of any weeds, grass, or debris. These unwanted guests can compete with your flowers for nutrients and water. Once the area is clear, it's time to improve the soil structure. Use a garden fork or tiller to loosen the soil to a depth of about 12 inches. This allows roots to penetrate easily and access essential nutrients. Next, enrich the soil with organic matter. Adding compost, aged manure, or peat moss improves drainage, adds nutrients, and creates a healthy environment for your flowers to thrive. Section 5. Design Secrets Revealed. Arranging flowers for maximum impact. With the soil prepped and ready, it's time to unleash your inner artist and arrange your flowers for maximum visual impact. Here are a few design principles to guide you. Consider color harmony. Create a sense of unity by choosing a color scheme and sticking to it. You can opt for a monochromatic look with different shades of the same color, or create a complementary scheme with contrasting colors like purple and orange or blue and yellow. Think about balance and symmetry. Formal gardens often feature symmetrical designs, while informal gardens embrace a more natural and asymmetrical look. Both styles can be equally stunning, so choose the one that resonates with you. Create layers and depth. Just like in a painting, layering different heights and textures adds visual interest to your flower bed. Place taller plants towards the back or center, and gradually decrease the height as you move towards the front or edges. Section 6. From Seed to Bloom. Planting Your Floral Masterpiece. Planting your carefully selected flowers is a moment of anticipation and excitement. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition for your plants. If you're starting from seeds, sow them according to the instructions on the seed packet. Some seeds require starting indoors a few weeks before the last frost, while others can be sown directly into the ground after the danger of frost has passed. For established plants, dig holes slightly larger than the root balls. Gently remove the plants from their containers and loosen any circling roots. Place the plants in the holes, ensuring that the top of the root ball is level with the surrounding soil. Backfill the holes with soil, gently firming it around the plants. Water deeply to settle the soil and eliminate any air pockets. Section 7. Tending to your garden. Maintenance tips for a flourishing flower bed. Congratulations, your flower bed is planted. Now, it's time to provide some TLC to keep your flowers healthy and blooming their best. Watering is crucial, especially during dry periods. Water deeply and less frequently, allowing the soil to dry out slightly between waterings. This encourages deep root growth and makes your plants more resilient. Mulching is your secret weapon for weed suppression, moisture retention, and soil temperature regulation. Apply a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch, such as wood chips or shredded bark, around your plants, keeping it a few inches away from the stems. Regularly inspect your plants for any signs of pests or diseases. Early detection is key for effective treatment. Consult your local garden center for advice on organic and safe pest control methods. Section 8. Attracting winged wonders. Creating a haven for pollinators. As you cultivate your colorful oasis, why not make it a welcoming haven for butterflies, bees, and other beneficial pollinators? Choose pollinator-friendly flowers. These winged wonders are attracted to bright colors, sweet scents, and nectar-rich blooms. Some of their favorites include lavender, coneflowers, sunflowers, and salvias. Provide a water source. A shallow dish filled with water and pebbles gives pollinators a place to rest and rehydrate. Avoid pesticides. Many pesticides are harmful to pollinators. Opt for natural pest control methods or choose plants that are naturally resistant to pests. Section 9. My personal touch. Adding unique elements to your flower bed. While following design principles is helpful, don't be afraid to let your creativity shine through and add personal touches to your flower bed. Consider adding decorative elements like garden sculptures, bird feeders, or a whimsical garden gnome. These little details can add character and charm to your outdoor space. Incorporate found objects. An old wagon wheel, vintage watering can, or even a collection of colorful glass bottles can become unique and eye-catching additions to your flower bed. Get creative with edging. Define the borders of your flower bed with materials like bricks, stones, seashells, or even recycled wine bottles. Section 10. Blossom and grow. Embrace the joy of your own flower bed. Creating a stunning flower bed is a journey of creativity, patience, and a deep appreciation for the beauty of nature. As you nurture your plants and watch them grow, you'll find yourself drawn to the peace and tranquility of your garden. Remember, there are no right or wrong answers when it comes to flower bed design. Let your imagination guide you. Experiment with different plants and arrangements, and most importantly, have fun. So, gather your tools, unleash your inner gardener, and embark on the rewarding adventure of creating your own flower bed. The joy and satisfaction it brings will blossom and grow along with your beautiful blooms.